Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to text on TikTok. Adding text to your videos is a fantastic way to convey messages, add context, or simply make your content more engaging. We will cover everything from the initial steps of adding text to customizing its appearance and timing. This easy method will help you enhance your TikTok creations in just a few simple steps, making your videos stand out to your audience. To begin, after you have recorded or uploaded your video, simply tap the icon located on the editing screen. This will open the text input interface. You can then type your desired message. TikTok offers more than 10 distinct font styles, allowing you to pick the perfect look. Easily adjust the text size by pinching and zooming, and select from a wide palette of colors to match your video's aesthetic. Controlling when your text appears is crucial for effective storytelling. After adding your text, tap on the text box and then select the clock icon to set its duration. You can drag the start and end points to precisely time its appearance and disappearance. To position your text, simply drag the text box anywhere on the screen. Pinch with 2 fingers to easily resize it, ensuring it is perfectly visible and readable. TikTok also provides several advanced text features to elevate your content. One popular option is text-to-speech, which converts your written text into an audible voice, adding another layer of engagement. You can also apply various animation effects to your text, making it appear and disappear dynamically. For more complex narratives, feel free to layer multiple text boxes, each with its own timing and style, to create rich visual stories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.